Hey, what's going on? Just putting this information out there. So if you get confused, it's probably something I did, or you should give me a call because I went to school, try to be a plumber. A little bit more than that, I thought of more, some better, you know, because, I got talent. And once I got there, I got these tattoos, right? And I kind of said, well, if you have a tattoo, someone's gonna look at it, right? It's school, and that's wrong. So I try to hide it the best I can. So it's an old tattoo, right? And when I was in there, you know, reading and writing, I learned that something was going on because a plumbing person or whatever, you know, someone would just call my attention. So I'm just saying, if you ever make a design and it don't come out, you should, you know, figure it out because that could be the problem. And I ain't somebody who wants to hate. So get paid, and let me know.